Get out of your home office and come experience co-working life at Scale Workspace with our Nourish and Flourish Day Pass. You will have access to conference rooms, phone booths, printers, and of course, coffee. Individual tours of the industrial amenities offered at Scale Workspace can be arranged prior to the event. Catered lunch from local New Orleans restaurants will be provided at 12:30. Lunch will take place during the beginning of the Intentional Interiors workshop. Hayley from Define Your Dwelling will be teaching you how to thoughtfully plan the interior of your home, office, or storefront. Rachel from RAYS Design will then demonstrate how to execute your design with a small budget and sustainability in mind. By the end, you will have gained a new understanding of interior design, simple sewing skills, and a new customized throw pillow personalized by you. Our next Nourish and Flourish Day will be held August 6th. To follow COVID-19 reopening procedures, only 10 guests will be allowed per day, so reserve your spot now.